To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link given in description box below and also subscribe to Ritula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Ritula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I'm going to share is chocolate muffins. This is an eggless recipe and I'm going to bake these muffins on stovetop. So let's see what ingredients we're going to need. To make eggless chocolate muffins, we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of semolina, that is sooji, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of butter. This is salted butter I am using. 50 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate. Half cup of sweetened condensed milk. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Dark chocolate and condensed milk are sweet, but still we need to use extra sugar to give the right amount of sweetness to these muffins. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract and 3/4 cup milk, which is at room temperature. And we also need some cashew, almonds and dark chocolate to garnish these muffins. We need to roughly chop them. You can use any nuts of your choice or you can totally skip them. So first let's see how we are going to bake these muffins on stovetop. These are the paper liners used for cupcakes and muffins, which you can easily get in supermarket. I'm using small steel bowls to help support these liners. You can also use these kind of silicone molds which are reusable and perfect for stovetop baking purpose. I will put all the purchase links in description box below this video if you're interested to buy them online. After filling them with batter, I will place these bowls in a baking tin. You can also use flat plate to place all these bowls. And this tin goes in baking pot. We need to use heavy bottom pot for this stovetop baking. So I'm using this large aluminum pot and I have placed a metal stand at the center. Just like oven, we need to preheat this pot. So put on the lid and let it heat on medium flame. If using oven, then preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, we need to prepare batter. So for that, first we need to melt butter and chocolate together. Heat some water in a vessel and place a bowl on top of it. Add chocolate and butter. Wait until it melts completely. Now that chocolate and butter has melted, take it off the heat. This mixture is slightly warm, so to this add in sweetened condensed milk and vanilla essence. Using wire whisk, beat this until everything is well combined. To this add semolina and sift rest of the dry ingredients in it. Wheat flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, powdered sugar. Fold this mixture to form a batter. Add in milk little at a time. Keep folding this mixture. This batter shouldn't be very thick and dry. This is what the consistency of batter should be. We have used semolina in this batter which will absorb moisture while baking. If there isn't enough moisture, then muffins won't rise and will be dense in texture. So our batter is ready. Using 2 spoons, fill these liners with the batter. We need to fill these liners 3/4 with the batter. Tap each bowl. Garnish with chopped dry nuts. Place some pieces of chocolate. Arrange these bowls in cake tin. Place it in our preheated pot. Put on the lid. We need to bake these muffins on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until skewer inserted comes out clean. Let's check by inserting a skewer at the center. It's clean, it means they are ready. Allow them to cool down on a cooling rack. Let's see how these muffins have turned out. They are so soft and moist and super chocolatey. You don't need any kind of frosting, syrup or icing for this. They just taste so good as it is. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, then give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.